Welcome to part 3 of the Microsoft Forms tutorial series. In this video, we are going to cover advanced sharing options. In this demonstration, I'm going to use the same demo RSVP form that we built in the first video. On the Share tab, you can control who can access your survey. Choose anyone with the link or only people from your organization. To share your survey, click the link icon and then copy the URL. You can open up your email and then paste the link to your survey using the Insert Hyperlink button. You can also choose your sharing method. In Microsoft Forms, you can distribute your survey with a link or a QR scan code. You can also generate an embed code to post your survey online. Before you share your survey, it is very important to check the advanced settings to see how your survey data will be collected. In Microsoft Forms, there are two ways you can share your survey. Option 1. You can allow anyone with the link to access your survey. When using this option, all responses will be saved anonymously. This is how we shared our demo survey in the first video. Option 2. You can allow only people from your organization to access your survey. This option gives you the choice to have responses saved anonymously or recorded by name. Click the Settings button to view these options. In our first video, we allowed anyone with the link to access the survey and responses were anonymous. Let's change this setting to only allow people in our organization and record their name. This survey now advises that your name and email address will be recorded in your response. When looking at the Response tab, you can see that my name has been recorded with my recent entry. Let's change the settings to only allow people from the organization to respond, but not to record the name and keep it anonymous. In the Response tab, you can now see that the survey is no longer recording the respondent's name. You may have noticed in these two examples that I was able to access the survey as part of the organization. This is because I was already signed into my Office 365 account. If you are not signed in and try to open this survey, you will be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. Microsoft Forms also allows you to limit your survey to one response per person. This requires the Record Name option to be enabled. Limiting to one response is a good option for voting or elections. In Microsoft Forms, you can also control when your survey is available using the Start and End Date feature in the Settings area. On this screen, there is also an option to shuffle questions, which may come in handy if you are building a quiz. Or you can create a custom thank you message. You can open and close your survey by checking Accept Responses. You can also type your own custom message. If you would like to receive an email when someone completes your survey, check the box to get email notifications. With notifications enabled, you will receive an email from Microsoft Forms for each response that is submitted. There is also an option to send an email receipt to respondents if you would like them to receive a confirmation email after completing your survey. Check this box if you would like to receive a confirmation email. This concludes the tutorial on Microsoft Forms sharing options. Please be sure to check out the next video in this series on collaboration. Thanks for watching.